Hello, this is Pamela. Welcome to my channel. Grab you a cup of coffee, sit back and relax, and enjoy some good old yarny talk. Hello, this is Pamela, and you're on Pamela's Adoring Crochet. Welcome to my channel, and I'd like to say thank you to all of my subscribers, and thank you to all of my new subscribers for being there for me, supporting me, watching my videos, and I just love that. So I just want to show you what I've gotten finished and what I'm working on real quick. Grab you a cup of coffee. Good old black coffee. Something to drink, eat, or whatever. And let's just see what I've got going. Start off with this Carley Cardigan that I just released. I'm so excited over this. It's my favorite granny stitch that I like to make for my wearables. I feel like I made them just a tad tight. They're not that bad, but normally I make them a little bit more loose fitting. But anyway, so this is it. Let me see if I can step back. There you go. There. And let's see the back side. Guys, I'm telling you, this was so easy. It is one back panel and then two front panels, and then I crocheted the sleeves on. It's that easy. And this is what I was copying. There it is. This is, if you're wondering what this is the Scenic Beauty Calendar, the Yarny Fiber Sisters. It's the Scenic Beauty Calendar 2022. And so each month, depending on what the picture is, you make something according to those colors. And so this right here was for May. I've been holding it upside down. My yellow should have been up here. But hey, it's in the sleeves. There we go. But this is May. And each month, that one, I designed a poncho. This one, I did a basket. In fact, the basket's right here. Did a basket. Thanks to my sister Tanya. She actually put these colors together. And I was like, you know, I really like that. And so I did the same thing. So thank you, Tanya. One lady, she made, on this one right here, she made one of my doll outfits. And I thought that was so pretty. I think I made I don't remember what I made. I made something. I'll have to go back. I don't know. And then there was that one. Gosh, guys, I can't even remember what all I've made now. But I've done something each month. Anyway, so, let's see, May. Oh, here's June. That's going to be cool. That one is for June. So now I'm going to have to dig some colors up to match this and see what I can come up with. But, yeah, this the Yarny Fiber Sisters. It's the go and join their Facebook group page. I will leave the link below in the description box if you want to click on that. They have a drawing, I think it's every 3 months, where they give out some prizes for the ones that have entered their photo and tagged it. Well, when you go to I'll leave their tag below too, because I can't remember what it was. Scenic Cal 2022, it may be something like that. But I will leave that link, I will leave that hashtag below in the description box too. And I will leave the PDF pattern for this from my Etsy shop in the description box below too. Okay, so the next, oh yeah, you want to know what yarn I used for this. I'm sorry. I used a J hook, a 6.0 millimeter crochet hook. And for my yarn, I did get into this gold right here, which is Yarn Bee Sweet Divinity. Amber Waves is the color. It says it's a 4-weight, but it's more like a 3. This, I believe, was on clearance. No, it wasn't. This was not. My sister Tanya bought this yarn right here for me last year. She went on a trip with her family. They went to Louisiana. And she came back with some yarn for me. And this was one of the yarns that she came back with. It was this right here. And so thank you for that, Tanya. I don't know if you even remember it, but you did. This is one of the yarns that you bought me. And I told you I was saving it for the right project. Well, the right project came along, and so now I have this beauty. So thank you very much. But yeah, that's what I used for that one. Just one donut and a little bit into the second one. Okay, for this blue, it's a 3-weight. It's Premier Anti-Peeling Everyday DK Stripes. I used, oops, let me put this tag back. I used 2 of these, and then I did get into this one. Isn't that pretty? So this is blueberry. Yeah, it's just called blueberry. It's a 3-weight. There is, oh, I forgot to tell you the yardage on that one. This machine wash coat, tumble dry, low heat, 250 yards. And I did 2 and a little bit into a 3rd one. Matter of fact, I like this one so much. I have some pink in there, and I made a, I made a shawl with it, but I haven't showed that to you guys. But I think I have enough of that I think I may make me another one of these, but it just be all solid. You know, it's still going to be where it's double crochet down the bottom here and all that, but it'll just be that one color. Let me show you that color. Okay, here we are. I think instead of making, because I don't know if I have any solids that would go with this on hand, but right here. Isn't that pretty? So I think I may make another one of these and it just all be one color. But I have plenty of these to do something like that with. I've got 4, 5, 6. I've got 6 of these. So that should definitely be plenty. Yeah, and for the gold, I forgot to tell you, it's 243 yards in one of these. Okay, so last but not least, the last thing I'm working on is out of my basket. I am working on, well, this is one of the squares. This is from the Annie's kit. The one square, I did finish one. I've got to make 6 total squares. 3 of the one I just showed you guys. And then 3 of this one right here. So here is mine. I guess I better lay my basket down. So there's my square. I think I did pretty good. I did have to read the instructions for the star part. I did have to, or the video. I did have to go and watch the video. The rest of this was the same as the squares I had done before in my last kit. So that was very easy. The middle was easy, you know, all that was easy. It's just, I was a little confused on the star. It wasn't the instructions, the written pattern that was confusing. It was just that it was something I've never done before. I didn't watch the video because I wanted to make sure that what I was doing was what they were telling me to do. Because like I said, it was really different. But it was very easy watching her in her tutorial. So anyway, this is Annie's kit. There's the blanket. That's the Moroccan Afghan. So here's where I'm at on this one. And I'm fixing to do one more row of the peach and then another cream. And then I'll be switching over to my spice. And then back, you know, and then a couple of rows back and forth. So yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. I do have another square done as far as the blue and cream here. But then when you get into this peach color, then I don't have that done on that. So that's where I'm at on those 3 squares. So here's the squares from the kit. That's kit 5. This must be from kit 4. But aren't they pretty? I just love this. I just can't believe that I can make something like this. Now this one, I didn't even have to go and watch the video instructions. I just did it. And it's so pretty. Anyway, there are 4 of these. And I like the back side too. Okay, so I finished 3 of the rickarumi, the crochet along that they got going on. This is Hula the Hippo. Let's see if I can move over here. That's Hula the Hippo. And then I finished Happy Polar Bear. And that's Happy Polar Bear. And let me move you back over here. I just finished Sunny Kitty. Sunny Kitty. I don't feel like I did a good job on the head, but I don't feel like I did a good job overall on the whole thing. Except, I do like the little mat. Here's my next one. Rosalia Rainbow. Then we have Kevin the Koala. And let's see what our last one is. Elvis the Elephant. I've got 3 done and 3 more to go. But there they are. Okay, guys. I believe that's really all that I have in today's video. Today's Friday, and I'm really not sure what I'm going to be doing. I'm having so much fun with these little squares from Annie's that I'm pretty sure that may be the project I work on today, because it really is fun. And I guess one reason why I like it so much is because it's different than what I normally do. You know, like this stuff right here is mindless, just mindless work. It is so easy. You just go back and forth doing the same thing. But these little squares, they're just different. You know, there's a little bit, you know, you're doing some little single crochets across. You know, you may be doing like 5 single crochets across, and all of a sudden you got to drop down to 2 rows below, you know, and then maybe 3 single crochets and then drop down again. I mean, it's just interesting. And I'm really enjoying that. So, yeah, I'll leave the link below if you're interested in purchasing in any of the Annie's kits. The link will be below. I'll leave that for you. So let's go ahead and do our 365 days of prayer. Unmerited favor. Remember this, sin will not conquer you, for God already has. You are not governed by law, but governed by the reign of the grace of God. That's Romans 6:14. Great God, you have conquered me with your grace. Sin cannot control me because I have been overcome by you. With your great love covering my life, all other powers and influences shrink. Lord, when I am battling fearful thoughts and jumping to conclusions fueled by anxiety, release your peace over my mind. Fear is not my leader, nor will it be. Your grace is what governs my life, and I won't be afraid of what may come. With you by my side, I have nothing to fear. Lord, lead me in your great mercy that covers every weakness. Sin cannot have a hold on something that is covered by your power. May I remember this when the enemy tries to convince me otherwise. You are the wisest guide I've ever known. I will gladly follow you all the days of my life. Be glorified in me. What has the most power over your thought life? That was just beautiful. So that's all that I have for this video. Just remember to live life, have fun, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.